The resultant of A vector and B vector makes an angle alpha with A vector and beta with B vector. Then here we are discussing about two vector A vector and B vector, and then we have to find angle between resultant of these two vector with respective A vector and B vector. Suppose we have taken two vectors A vector and B vector, and addition of these vectors is represented with the help of R vector, that is the resultant of A vector and B vector. So we are going to draw resultant of these two vectors in this diagram only, which is represented with the help of this. So this is representing the resultant of these two vectors, that is A vector and B vector, which is represented by R vector. So we have asked the angle which is resultant vector is made with R vector, that is given as alpha, and another vector with B vector, that is given as beta. So angle with A vector is alpha and angle with B vector is beta. So we have to see which one angle alpha or beta is greater, equal or lesser. So there are number of cases we will discuss one by one. Suppose case 1 in which alpha is equal to beta. Let second case in which alpha is greater than beta, and third case in which alpha is lesser than beta. So according to vector law of addition, that is parallelogram, we can see if alpha is equal to beta, this is possible in case when magnitude of A vector is equal to magnitude of B vector. Magnitude is represented with A and B. If alpha is greater than B, which is in second case, it is possible when magnitude of A vector is less than magnitude of B vector. Third case, that is alpha is less than B, it is possible in the case when magnitude of A vector is greater than magnitude of B vector. So according to our statements, we can see alpha is less than B if magnitude of A vector is greater than magnitude of B vector. So answer of this question is alpha is less than beta if magnitude of A vector, which is represented by A, is greater than magnitude of B vector, which is represented by B. Thank you.